No power, no power under the sky that can stop us from taking every single inch of POK. We were once victims, but today we are the verdicts. We have the military strength, we have the diplomatic clarity, and most importantly, the backing of 140 crore Indians. Today I stand in the favor of a motion, which is not a routine discussion. Rather, it's a reaffirmation of India's position, India's sovereignty, and India's patience that has been tested time and again. This motion is a solemn reaffirmation of India's unwavering claim over POK, rooted not in politics but in constitutional will. Over the decades, India has shown unparalleled restraint. We have respected diplomacy, honored ceasefires, and upheld the highest standards of international conduct. But how's the question against us that what have we got in return? Ceasefire violation, infiltration, Kargil, Pulwama, Uri, Pathankot, targeted killing in the valley. The time has come to strategically respond rather react. And Operation Sindoor is exactly our new template to set the new age of deterrent. We gave a precise, lethal response deep within Pakistan, neutralizing 400 plus terrorists. But what matters more than the bullets is the message that from now onwards, every act of terror will be counted as an act of war. Not a domestic disturbance, not a policy challenge, but a deliberate hostile provocation, one that will be responded with full spectrum capability. And let me say this clearly for the record that there is no power under the sky that can stop us from taking every single inch of POK. We were once victims, but today we are the verdicts. We have the military strength, we have the diplomatic clarity, and most importantly, the backing of 140 crore Indians.
Don't forget to subscribe and follow us.